Hey kids, oh, what are all my backpacks doing out here?
But these aren't all your backpacks, are they, Dad?
Well, I suppose I might have a few somewhere else.
Look, we love you and we want what's best for you, but we need to talk about these backpacks.
We love you too, Dad, but so many backpacks. We even have to share our room.
Well, I have different backpacks for different applications.
Dad, we don't have enough room in this house for all these backpacks.
Can't you at least get rid of the ones you don't use anymore?
To all the gear I've loved before, the times you helped me to survive outdoors, I'm glad I got to see the stars shine above me in all the gear I've loved before. To backpacks that I've worn before, external frames that made my shoulders sore. You carried all my stuff, were treated pretty rough on rocky routes I've climbed before. Dyneema has replaced Cordura. 11 pounds seems just too much. My base weight will continue lowering if I can carry lighter stuff. To all the tents I've pitched before, long before mesh walls and those bathtub floors, staring into the sky, protected by rain flies, in many tents I've pitched before. To bags in which I've slept before, in summer camps and over nights indoors, kept warm throughout the night, the mummy's much too tight for bags in which I've slept before. Down feathers have replaced synthetic, compresses small but lofts enough. My base weight will continue lowering if I can carry lighter stuff. To all the stoves I've lit before, breakfast eaten and a coffee poured, white gas I had to prime, it scared me every time I fired up those stoves before. To all the gear I've loved before, that helped me get outside my doors, although you tipped the scales, you sure could tell some tales of all the trails we've hiked before.
All right. Good job.
Yes, please, I got you.
Family.
Oh, yes, we